Today we are going to discuss how to write writing task 1. As IELTS writing include two tasks, we have to give only 1 hour to write our task 1 and 2. The writing task 1 includes 150 word as there is limit as we have to write 150 word, that is compulsion. We can write up to 180 words. Like in the writing task 2, we can write at least 250 words and the limit is up to 300 words we can also write. Writing task 2 includes 2 out of the 3, but writing task 1 includes 1 out of the 3. Like students have mainly questions that up to what limit we can write, like they have to spend only 20 minutes to write 150 words, they can write up to 180 words. 180 वर्ड्स ने जेडे उन्हें तो लिख ही सकते हैं बट 200 भी कर सकते हैं बट 150 वर्ड इज कंपल्सरी. In IELTS academic writing task 1, we have to write a report. Like we don't give any kind of unnecessary information in our writing task 1. Writing like there is example that the food consumption has risen. We don't need to say that the food consumption has risen because it's delicious or affordable. We don't need to say this thing. Like here, this is a diagram. We have to write only the main steps that are included in the diagram. There is no need that we have to write unnecessary information, including our own points. Right here, this is the another type of diagram that is known as line graph. We can also say that this is the linear graph. In this, we have to write the information according to the time periods that are given, and there is also vertically the data is given that we have to write. Like in this, they are providing 3 lines. First represent the consumption of hamburger, second represent the consumption of fish and chips, the third one is represent pizza, the consumption of pizza. Like here we have to include their consumption, not we can't write any unnecessary information here. Okay. The next one here, this is the another type of diagram that is known as a table. As table also includes rows and columns that we have to write full information according to the given data that is known as percentages. The next one here is the another kind of diagram that is known as pie chart. As in pie chart, we have to write our information out of the 100. Okay, students ਨੂੰ ਇਦਾਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜੋ ਪਰਸੈਂਟੇਜ ਉਹ ਗਿਵਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਲਾਈਕ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਆ ਬਟ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ 100 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਇਨਕਲੂਡ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖਣੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ. Next one, this is the another type of diagram that is known as bar graph. In bar graph, there can be a horizontal bar graph, but this one is the vertical bar graph. We have to again include the information according to the data that is given horizontally and the data that is given vertically. The next one here that is known as a map. Some students say like this is the diagram. We have to write all the places that are given like in the year before and after some changes how this place has been changed. Again, I am repeating that task 1 writing includes 150 minimum word. Students ਤੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਵੀ ਉਹ 150 words ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਰਾਈਟ ਹੀ ਕਰਨੇ ਨੇ ਬਟ ਅਪ ਟੂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਲਿਮਿਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਉਹ 200 word ਵੀ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ 2 to 10 ਵੀ ਰਾਈਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ. ਜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਹਾਇਰ ਸਕੋਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗਲੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਥੋੜੀ ਰਾਈਟਿੰਗ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ. And writing task 2 ਦੇ ਲਈ again 250 words ਦਾ minimum ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ but ਉਹ up to 280 or 300 ਤੱਕ ਵੀ ਰਾਈਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ. And I will also discuss like how our writing score is marked. Like firstly, we have to do task achievement that includes 25% of our writing. The second one is coherence and cohesion that another includes 25% marks. Lexical resources have the similar percentage. Again, grammatical range and occurrences also includes 25%. Like for task achievement, we have to write the ideas clearly that is given in our diagram. Like we have to write all the ups and downs that happen in the diagram. And second one is coherence and cohesion. In this, we have to organize our information correctly. Like we can't write, if we are going to write the first word, then we have to write it firstly. And for the last one, this one, that one includes the final state. The third one is lexical resource. That means we have to include our vocabulary. Vocabulary plays a main role as if students ने अपना score higher करना तो vocabulary एक इतना दा way है जिसके नाल वो अपना score नु high कर सकते हैं. The fourth one is grammatical range and accuracy. Mostly students ਦਾ question ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵੀ grammar ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ variations ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ. ग्रामर ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਲਾਈਕ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਟੈਂਸ ਪਤਾ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ 3 ਟੈਂਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਪਾਸਟ ਤੇ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਪਾਸਟ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਔਰ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊਸ ਔਰ ਪਾਸਟ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਇਦਾਂ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਟੈਂਸਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਨਕਲੂਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਰਾਈਟਿੰਗ ਨੂੰ ਗ੍ਰਾਮੈਟਿਕਲ ਰੇਂਜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਨਵਰਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ. Like there are some lines that students can use to increase their band score. First one is the position statement. Like we can say the price of gas, like price of something. Stood that this one is the main we can say that main word that they can include in each and every task. That is writing task 1. They can include it and make their line accurately. The second one, they can also use the year firstly, and then they can use the another word that is accounted for. These are again the movement statements. Like there was a decrease in what in the price of this word. Like there was an increase in what they can include their object. They can also use different time phrases like the starting year from this 1 year to this one, or between 1990 and 95 they can include this, or during what year, or during a period of 10 years, or during a period of 5 years, or in 1990 or by 95 or another. They can use a range of time phrases. They can also make some grammar variations like here. This is the given example. CD sales increased steadily from 2005 until 2010, then fell slightly. Then they slightly fell in the following year. They can use like increased steadily. This one is verb. They can include their adverb here. And they can connect this information by using then connector. This one is the another example which they can connect by using before. These are again some vocabulary variations like there was. They can use this word to start their line. There was a slight fall. It's slight fall in what, like CD sales or consumption of food in what year. Same, they can write the year first and saw a slight fall in CD sales or consumption of food. Or they can also give some examples like CD sales increased slightly from what million up to what million. By using these kind of lines, they can make their task very complex and they can achieve above 6 band score. Okay, thank you. This one is the end of my writing task 1.